Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, where we talk about the latest and most exciting smartphones shaping the future, and today I've got something truly jaw-dropping for you. Vivo has just launched its brand new budget-friendly 5G smartphone for 2026, and honestly, the specs sound almost unreal. A massive 300 megapixels camera, blazing fast 150W charging, next-gen 5G performance, and all of this at a price designed for everyday users. Yes, Vivo is clearly on a mission to redefine what a budget smartphone really means. Let's start with the design, because first impressions matter. Vivo has given this phone a premium look that feels far more expensive than it actually is. The slim profile, polished edges, and smooth matte glass finish on the back give it a flagship-level vibe. It's lightweight in the hand, comfortable to use for long hours, and the camera module looks bold and futuristic, instantly telling you that this phone means business. Vivo has done a great job balancing style and practicality here. Now let's talk about the highlight feature that everyone is buzzing about, the 300 megapixels camera. This is not just a numbers game. Vivo has clearly optimized the sensor to deliver stunning results. Photos are incredibly detailed, with sharp textures and natural colors, even when you zoom in. Daylight photography is simply outstanding, capturing wide dynamic range and crisp clarity. Low-light performance is equally impressive, thanks to advanced AI night mode and improved light-gathering technology. Whether you're shooting city lights, portraits, or landscapes, this camera delivers results that feel professional. For video lovers, the phone supports ultra-high-resolution video recording with excellent stabilization, making it perfect for YouTube creators, vloggers, and social media content. On the front, Vivo hasn't disappointed either. The selfie camera delivers clear, bright, and natural selfies, with smart AI beauty features that enhance your look without making it feel artificial. Video calls, reels, and stories all look clean and smooth, which is a big plus for today's content-driven world. Moving to the display, Vivo has equipped this phone with a large, vibrant AMOLED screen that makes everything pop. Colors are rich, blacks are deep, and brightness levels are strong enough for outdoor use. Scrolling feels buttery smooth thanks to a high refresh rate, making gaming, browsing, and watching videos a real pleasure. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix or playing high-end games, this display delivers an immersive experience that you usually expect from much more expensive phones. Performance is another area where Vivo surprises us. Powered by a powerful 5G-ready processor, this smartphone handles multitasking, gaming, and daily use effortlessly. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks feels seamless, and even graphics-heavy games run smoothly with stable frame rates. Paired with generous RAM and fast storage, this phone feels fast, responsive, and future-proof for the coming years. Now let's talk about the feature that might just steal the show, 150W fast charging. This is insanely fast, especially for a budget-friendly smartphone. Vivo claims that the phone can charge from 0 to nearly full in just a matter of minutes, and that's a game changer. No more waiting around or worrying about battery anxiety. The large battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage, and when you do need to charge, it's over before you know it. Vivo has also included advanced safety features to keep the battery cool and healthy over time. Software-wise, the phone runs on the latest version of Vivo's custom Android interface, which feels clean, smooth, and packed with useful features. You get smart AI optimizations, improved privacy controls, and a user-friendly layout that's easy for anyone to use. Vivo has clearly focused on long-term performance and regular updates, which is great news for users who plan to keep their phone for several years. The biggest question, of course, is the price. Vivo is positioning this smartphone as a true budget killer, offering flagship-level features at a surprisingly affordable price point. For users who want cutting-edge camera technology, ultra-fast charging, and solid 5G performance without breaking the bank, this phone makes a very strong case. Overall, Vivo's new budget-friendly 5G smartphone for 2026 is a bold and impressive move. With a stunning 300 megapixels camera, insanely fast 150W charging, a beautiful display, and powerful performance, it challenges the idea that premium features must come with premium prices. If Vivo delivers this phone at the expected price, it could easily become one of the most talked about and best-selling smartphones of the year. If you're looking for a future-ready phone that offers incredible value for money, this Vivo device definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist.